So we are back on the 180 project. Had a little week break there. Yeah, even if you show me what I need to do to get started.
I'm writing you a list of everything you can do.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, just for now, we're gonna set out the wiring harness, what we need to add and remove, and then that way when we take it out of the car,
Yep.
well, it's barely in there,
Yep.
we can sort of test everything on the bench, delete stuff, add things, and then it'll have the Haltech plug on the end. But we'll use as much of the factory harness as we can.
Yep. Okay.
Keep it like cost effective.
I like it.
But later down the track, we need to work out. Maybe we just heat wrap this or something where it goes past the turbo down the side here. So without fully relocating it and running it all the way around. This doesn't have to be crazy.
Okay.
You don't need an airflow meter anymore, so.
Yep. So that stuff can just get cut off, or do you just leave them there and just keep it labelled?
Well, yeah, it's like how hard do you want to go? Like we could pretty much cut all this sheathing off to bare wiring.
Yeah.
And then just strip it down, like you don't need this stuff sitting in there.
Yeah.
And we run new wires for the stuff we do need, like your oil pressure sensor, fuel pressure.
Yeah.
Just the basics.
Yep, this sounds good to me. Is that my list?
Yeah.
Find exhaust manifolds, power steering, carpet kit, bleed, brakes, clutch. Yeah, yeah.
Need a clutch line, it doesn't exist on this car. I just put a braided one on it.
Oh, yep.
Easy to get. Well, I'm assuming we just run, like, because we're going low mount, it should be fine. It's just going to go in the car, like that.
Oh, yeah, that's right, that sits inside.
You're going to run aircon?
Yeah. The provision's there, isn't it?
Yeah, the hoses. I'll get sidetracked, but like, look at this. Someone's done some weird, wild shit here.
Oh, that doesn't look right, does it?
No. Where's that going to go? Like, how? This is what it's meant to
Okay.
look like. It used to go to the compressor.
Oh.
They've also been left open, so.
There's no gas in there.
No.
Okay, so we're not running aircon.
Well, you can, like.
It's not a
You
priority,
just need
but...
this hose just needs to be remade with the right stuff. It's completely wrong. That won't just go in to the compressor. It's probably a good idea to get rid of the factory coils. Because I don't know how you could run them off the 2500. It's probably literally easier to buy some Yaris coil packs.
Yeah.
They're nice and cheap.
Make a note.
You don't need to go like 35 GDR, because I only say that because I have some connectors.
Oh, here's something you prepared earlier.
Wow.
How's the C10 project coming along?
Terrible.
Why?
Nah, it's good.
It's not going terrible. It's going really
You need to
good.
spend time on it.
Yeah, I know. Once you get me sorted, then I'll leave you alone for more than a few minutes. And ooh,
The second one I prepared earlier.
did you bring the Haltech out here?
No, that's the one I had from work. I bought these ages ago because I thought I was going to go Yaris coils on the Skyline. Got all the connectors, so we may as well. Like, and we could just make a bracket. We don't have to buy anything fancy.
Yep.
Just to get it working.
Okay.
That way they get easy to find settings for the Haltech.
You use Yaris things for lots of stuff.
Yeah.
What was the other Yaris thing you talked about? Using a steering rack.
Well, the steering column would be cool.
That's it, steering column.
Get rid of all your power steering stuff. Like a bit earlier as well.
Oh, what's that?
It's another spare I had from my car, which I never used. It's just a fuel pressure sensor.
Oh, fabulous.
Which will go in the end of this.
Oh,
Raceworks rail.
nice.
And if I've got the 6 orb thing there, that'll just go straight in. Oh no, maybe not.
Wrong AN fitting.
It's just a bit cheesy.
Nice.
It should actually, yeah.
Can we do a screamer pipe on the car?
Well, yes. We're gonna. Well, your gate's welded, so you're gonna have to do something. There you go.
What do you mean it's welded? On the turbo? Oh. That's terrible. I could do a better job than that.
Yeah, so...
Why would someone do that?
What do you mean?
Why would someone weld that?
Because they want to go external gate.
Oh, okay.
Because you can't do a screamer off that, so... But because this manifold just looks just no, just don't want to use it. I'd rather go stock and low mount.
It looks like a the face huggers out of Alien.
Yeah.
I want one that looks like a roller coaster.
It's just janky.
Yeah, okay. No, that's fine. I'm happy to go back to like the S14 or S15 one.
Yeah, we'll go S15
and then
stock and then make a jig for the making another manifold in the future. In the meantime, while the engine's getting run in and stuff.
Yeah, something that's like a roller coaster.
The reason I don't want to run this manifold is because it's near impossible to make a dump pipe for it.
Yeah, there's no space there.
Well, unless I, like, just with this V-band adapter, it points directly at the rocker cover, no room for a V-band. Like, you could just buy this flange and make a dump pipe that shape off there, it's no problem.
Yeah.
Maybe we do just run this manifold for running, and he's already got the Turbo Smart gate to suit that in the back of the car.
Okay.
The piping's already set up for that.
Yep. I'm liking what you've got to say.
I don't know, maybe we're overcomplicating it by trying to make a manifold.
I agree. I think that's a great idea. If we can make it work for easy, well, for the most straightforward, just to get peace of mind that the engine's fine and blah blah.
But like, you want to go 85.
Yes.
Can't run stock injectors, so that's why we got a nice cheap rail kit. Like the stock injectors are like huge, so they give you little adapters. You can run like 3/4 length injectors or short ones. So.
Yeah, okay.
Not bad.
So we just need to get some new injectors. Yeah, I don't know what size you were thinking. I know you talked about thousands. Is that like a lot?
It's a bit big for.
Yeah. Okay.
But 85, you're probably running about 18 psi.
Yep.
Do the calculations. It's probably a good medium. There's like a Bosch 980 you could go for, but I don't know.
Okay.
There's 2 pinouts. One's got a 63 and the other one, I can't remember, it was J3 or something. I'll have to have a look, but because it's got a code 63 ECU, I am only assuming that we're going to work off the pinout for this. Slightly different.
It doesn't. That's not a full harness either, is it? It looks like it's missing stuff, or it's got extra stuff.
It's missing a couple connectors, but it's just been chopped up here a bit.
To admit, I've never really looked at wiring harness properly until I guess we put that in the engine bay. It's the first time I've ever really looked at one. So it's like that way.
Not quite, because
2, 4. Oh, that's weird.
it's got those, yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah, well that means we actually...
It is looking at it from the back.
Yeah.
You're right.
I'm gonna assume it's these ones.
No, that's... Is that one?
Yep.
Yeah, so I was on the wrong one. You had it poked into 108, which is feeling, yeah, okay.
It's the same thing.
Oh.
Yeah, fuel injected ground runs out of 3 pins.
Oh, I know you like to know the colours of things. Orange with black stripe.
Assume it would be on this side. Maybe not. That's the igniter. That's not...
There's orange in there, isn't there? No.
That's
Red.
Won't be that. There's no... Because... It's to the idle motor. It's not going to be the main power. So...
It's got a big chunky wire in it.
Yeah, so... Ignition signal 1 goes through the igniter. Go to ignition signal
2.
ground.
Which is ignition signal ground? Oh yeah, number 8.
But look, it was also broken.
Broken, and then we just found melting underneath.
They were actually touching each other.
But we're deleting this out, but it was touching on something else that's not getting deleted out.
There you go. Brown is definitely 12 volt. Because O2 sensor needs 12 volt signal and then ground for a narrow band.
Right.
So that's... So...
What does that mean? What have you discovered?
Well, could we use this for the gauge?
Yeah?
The sender.
Oh, because you're about to pull it out.
But then, why go all that effort when we need to run more anyways?
I don't want to cut it by accident and it not be the right one.
Oh, I'd rather ask questions.
But I'd say that they've got mating calls happening at the moment. They're dinosaur honking. Okay, I really want to repair that, but you told me to leave it, so I'm going to leave it.
What?
That one down there.
You can do it.
No, because that's the one that we need to do stuff to with the Haltech. I'm surprised actually how much I like doing it. Maybe I can come back and do some more tomorrow.